my friends tell me in school that his mother takes him out always. But my mother don't do that.
Princess, do you know why Somto's mother has time for them?
No.
It's because Somto's mother is a teacher and your mother is a banker. Teachers have time for themselves. They go to work in the morning and close by 12 in the afternoon. Same time you close from school. But bankers, they work from morning till night. Okay? So don't compare yourself with Somto again. Okay?
But Auntie Praise, will you be a banker?
No, I will not. You know why?
No.
Because I would love to be a teacher. Because I want to have time to take care of you. I'll go to work in the morning, come back in the afternoon when you are back from school. So I'll have time to play with you, feed you and take care of you.
My mother is a banker.
Yes, sweetheart, your mother is a banker. Now, open up, open up. Good boy.
My mother will come back tomorrow, right?
Your mommy is not coming back tomorrow. Your mommy will come back next month. But I'm here for you now.
But Auntie Praise, will you leave us?
I won't leave you. I'll be here for you both. For all of us. Now tell me, what else did Soto tell you?
Are they asleep now?
Yes, they are asleep.
Thank you very much, Praise. I don't know how to thank you.
Uncle, you don't have to thank me. I owe my sister this. She contributed a lot to my upkeep and well-being. I'll be in my room now. Good night.
Not even a hug? Thank you.
Good night.
Good night.
So right, ooh, your love's so good. Give me more, give me more, give me more. Ooh, you feel so good. Can't it be wrong when it feels so right? Ooh, your love's so good. Give me more, give me more, give me more. So right, ooh, your love's so good. Give me more, give me more, give me more. Ooh, you feel so good. Can it be wrong when it feels so right? Ooh, your love's so good. Give me more, give me more, give me more. Ooh, you feel so good. Can it be wrong when it feels so right? Ooh, your love's so good. Give me more, give me more, give me more. Ooh, you feel so good. Can it be wrong when it feels so right? Ooh, your love's so good. Give me more, give me more, give me more. So hard to avoid you, but I find that I cannot resist you, 'cause you are driving me out of my mind. I just can't help it, baby. Can't you see your love is driving me crazy? You fill me with fire, I'm burning with desire. Ooh, your love so good. Give me more, give me more, give me more. Ooh, it feels so good. Can it be wrong when it feels so right? Ooh, your love so good. Give me more, give me more, give me more. Ooh, it feels so good. Can it be wrong when it feels so right? Ooh, your love so good. Give me more, give me more, give me more.
Please don't do this. I can't think. I can't
do this. She's my sister. I can't do this.
No, wait. Praise.
I never meant to hurt you. I never meant to cause you pain. I never meant to break a happy home. I know how much you play. Sorry, forgive me. Remember, one thing led to another. One thing leads to another. Try to stop temptation, but I went.
What is it?
My computer class payment. They are beginning to disturb me.
On your way to your computer class, branch over my office, I don't have cash on me. Where are my kids?
They're outside, waiting for you.
Always leads to another. One thing leads to another. Tried to stop temptation, but I went deeper and deeper. Cause one thing always leads to another.
Yeah, who is it coming?
Good morning. Thank you. I'm very sorry.
Have I not given you the money you asked for?
Yes, you have.
What are you still waiting for?
I'm sorry. I'm going.
I never really planned it. One thing leads to another. Tried to stop my feelings, but I went deeper and deeper. 'Cause one thing always leads to another. One thing leads to another. Tried to stop temptation, but I went deeper and deeper. 'Cause one thing always leads to another. I never really planned it. One thing leads to another. Tried to stop my feelings, but I went deeper and deeper. 'Cause one thing always leads to another. I never really planned to hurt you.
How are you? How was it today? Yeah. How was it today? Did anybody pick you today? Oh. Uncle, welcome.
Thank you.
Uncle, what will you like to eat for dinner?
Oh, I'm good. Make yourself.
Leads to another.
Daniel, why are you doing this to me? You no longer have time for me. You no longer eat my food. What have I done?
Isn't that what you wanted?
Daniel, please. We can still be close like we were. Without any sexual attachment. Please.
You lie, Prince. What are you talking about? Our emotions are involved here and you know it.
Daniel, I can't do this. You're my sister's husband. I can't.
Stop talking about you being my wife's sister all the time. We're talking about love. Love just happens. We don't force it. What I feel for you is beyond understanding, it's beyond comprehension. I don't know. And I know you love me too, so why don't we just let it flow?
Daniel, this love will not survive. It will not.
It will survive. Can't I have a second wife? Don't I have a right to have a divorce? What are you talking about? Ever since you came into this house, all I've known is happiness and joy. Now you want all of that to go away? Why? I go to bed each night wishing you were lying just beside me, and then I wake up in the morning alone. Do you know how painful it is? Please, let's allow this love to grow, I beg you. Please, don't do this to me. Let's be together. Our hearts yearn for each other. Let's give it a chance.
I feel the same way too. Every night I keep asking myself, why you? My sister's husband. Why? It could be any other man in the street. Why you? Why am I having these strong feelings for the wrong person?
Our hearts can never be wrong. I know your heart yearns for me and mine yearns for you. Why don't we just let it happen, please? Listen to me. Without you, I am nothing. I'm just like dead. I beg you, please. I know you don't have to be scared about anything.
No.
What?
No.
Brace! Brace! God damn it.
No man has ever made me feel this way. Now I see why I can't stop loving you.
The first day you stepped into this house, something in me jerked up in ecstasy. But I tried to suppress this because you were my wife's sister. But as hard as I tried to let go, the urge was stronger and stronger. I couldn't concentrate. Thoughts of you filled my mind. The first day I held your hand at the hospital bell, I felt heaven. The first time I kissed you, I vowed never to let you go. You engulfed my total being. I urged and wanted you to be mine forever. Now here you are, in my arms right where you belong.
I don't care any longer. I have to follow my heart. I may not know where this is leading us to, but one thing I know is that I'm in heaven right now.
Why did the security man refuse to come her for us? I think Praise is in kind of trouble. She's not even picking her calls, and she didn't even come for lectures today. The Praise I know won't miss lectures for one day. And now, he's saying that Praise is in there, but he will not call her out. Something is definitely not right. Something is definitely not right. Do you remember the story she told us about her ordeal with her sister's husband? Yes. But she said that her sister has already taken control of the situation. Maybe she lied and she has given in for her sister's husband's demands. Nobody can, you never can tell. What can we do? Let's go to her. I just pray she's okay. We pray on her.
Why would she want her head? Wasn't she the one that started this all? That means Praise was right. Someone actually entered that room yesterday. Oh God. My marriage is about to come to an end. Take away this car from the road.
Sir, the motor broke down.
Break down?
Yes, sir.
How? What happened to it?
He refused to enter for gear.
Oh God. Oh God.
in its slightest opportunity. In the dining kitchen. Toilet. Everywhere.
Princess, Daddy is taking us out this Saturday morning.
Are we going to the beach? Somto's father takes them to the beach.
Let's wait and see where Daddy will take us to, okay? Honey, let's go.
Alright, good. Look at my lovely kids looking ravish.
Do you know I can't remember when last someone took me out?
Really?
Yeah.
For you, village girl.
Okay, I'm not going again.
I'm sorry now, you know I was joking.
I'm not going.
Okay, what do I do to make up for my sins?
Too hot.
Hot. We got it.
Look at you, I know you like it. What, Daddy?
Alright, get into the car. Get in. Get in. Your sister.
Take her calls.
No, I don't want her to spoil this mood.
Honey, please take her calls.
Boss, call her stopped. Come to bed.
Take her call. Take her call.
Hello. Sorry, darling. You know how it is with work. I've been so busy. The workload lately is something else. No, not really. How can you say that? You know, I'm missing you very much. I'm so lonely on this big bed right now. They're good. They're fine. Oh, she's good. She's great. She's been taking good care of the kids and she's actually feeding us fat. Yeah, I'm here. Oh yeah, that's great. Thank God, finally I get to see you. I've missed you so much, you know. I will. I love you too.
What is it?
She's coming back soon.
What? Is it 3 months already?
I didn't realize myself. Can they not just extend?
That's a whole lot of time. I miss everybody. I miss the kids. I miss Junior. I miss my sister. I miss you. I miss my mom, my colleagues in the office. Everybody, I miss them. Oh my God. Sweetheart, what's wrong with you? Are you not happy that I'm back?
No, not that. I'm good. I just am not feeling fine. I need to see my doctor.
Oh, so sorry.
Good boy. Now let's go. Let's go again. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 8,
15.
9 plus 9,
18.
10 plus 10.
20.
Good boy! Again. High five. Move. So now we go to A. A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for C is for chair. Good boy. D is for dog. E is for hey! Mommy's back! Mommy's back! Junior, mommy's back!
Get the thing.
Sister, come. Junior, mommy's back. Junior, go and hug mommy, naughty boy. Go. Junior, come and say hello to your mom. Sister, where is Princess? She's upstairs. She's sleeping. So you're looking so fresh. Oh, South Africa woman.
Junior, come.
I hope you're fine.
Come.
Honey? Honey? Honey, what's the matter?
Nothing. There's no problem.
There's no problem. Your wife that you've not seen for the past 3 months is lying beside you. And you can't even notice her. Why?
I just told you now there is no problem, okay? I am just having some symptoms like I told you earlier. I'm good.
I thought you said you were going to see the doctor.
Yeah, I actually went, but was not sick. I'll go back tomorrow.
Okay. Daniel, you left me here all alone in this cold night to be with her. Come, Daniel. Come and finish what you started doing.
Trying to stop temptation, but I went deeper and deeper. Cause one day always leads to another. I never really planned it.
Daniel, can't you see I can't sleep here all alone? Can't you see I can't sleep here all alone without you lying by my side? Come. Come. Where is she?
I left her in the room. She's fast asleep. I couldn't sleep without you.
Me too. I couldn't sleep all night. I miss you, Danny. I love you, Danny. I miss you.
Hey, honey. You're awake.
Where are you coming from?
I went to the children's room. You know, Princess has been having this nightmare for the past 1 week. She just jacks up and screams in the middle of the night. So I went to check up on her.
How is she right now?
Oh, she's good. She's good. She's gone to bed. I guess she was missing you and all of that. She's good now.
Okay. Are you telling me the truth? I mean, I haven't been myself since I got back. You can't believe it. My husband is not happy to see me. He's not happy that I'm back.
Are you saying he didn't touch you last night?
For where? I was the one who even tried to do that. And he gave me some clumsy excuse.
That's serious.
My son Junior could not even embrace me when he saw me. They were like, why did you come back? You wouldn't have come back. Can you imagine that?
God have mercy. I hope it's not what I'm thinking of.
Are you thinking the same direction with me?
Praise, if that is what you're thinking.
I suspected some foul movement last night. If this is true, if this is what I'm even imagining, I will kill somebody. I mean, I will devour that girl with my bare hands. I'm telling you the truth. I will kill her.
See, babe, There's only one way to find out the truth. And you have to take that one way as fast as possible. You have to.
I didn't tell you girls. My sister bought me a lot of things from South Africa.
Serious? My own is that this top you're wearing now, you will go in there and change to something else because I want this. It belongs to me.
Look at this girl. If I give her this top, what will I wear home now?
That's your problem.
You want me to go naked? Don't worry. I have one very beautiful one like this. Exactly like this. But different is the color. Yellow. It will suit you now. You know you're done.
I know, Godwin. You guys are not talking about giving out clothes. I'm now left out here. What about me?
No, but don't worry. I have one very nice one for you. Very sexy. Like serious? Yes, now. Very sexy. I want the sexy one. And you're my price now. I can't have such a thing. Can't give me the girls now.
Hello?
Please meet me in my office right away.
Now?
Immediately, please, now.
Okay. I'm coming right away.
Who was that?
My sister. She wants me to come to her office right away.
Get something from us. Why coming back home? And tell her your friends are saying a very big welcome. And we're asking for our own South African goodies.
Then I won't give you what I have for you girls again. No problem. No problem for you girls. Let me go and say bye. You like something we know you.
She's going to suspect us.
I think so too, because she came into my room last night. I didn't even know when she entered.
She did?
Yes, she did.
That must have been after I'd gone back to my room.
Maybe. So, what do we do now?
I don't know. I think it's about time I told her the truth. She needs to know what's going on. I mean, she has to be ready to accept you as a co-wife. Then she can go. That's my stand.
Really, no, please. Not now, please.
Then when? I'm tired of playing hide and seek in my own house. I'm too big for that.
Let me please. There are things we should consider here. There's a point we should consider here. She's my sister, remember? She gave me a better life. I can't possibly pay her with evil. No, please, just hold on. I will tell you when to tell her, please.
I don't have time.
Daniel, please. This is not what we should be discussing here. Please.
What should we be discussing here?
I'm leaving. When I get home, I'll call you.
No. Please don't keep me on suspense. Don't.
Don't keep me on suspense. Any movie without suspense is not worth watching. Remember, that's your favorite line.
But we're not making a movie here.
We'll soon find out. See you later.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
And where is your food? Sister, it's in the kitchen. I'll eat later. Bring yours. Let's eat together.
Yeah, bring yours. It's a good one.
I think I've had enough. I might get a little.
Hello? Good evening, sir. Oh, okay, sir. Alright, sir. Right away. Honey, he's our regional manager. He just called me that we have a board meeting, online board meeting. and it's very important.
An all-night board meeting?
Yes.
By this time?
Yes.
It really must be important for him to call you up for this.
Yes.
It's alright, you can go.
Okay. Let me just get ready.
Alright. Yes! I can't wait. He has an all-night board meeting, so we have an all-night bed meeting.
I'm going out. Keep your phone very close. I'll be back in 1 hour's time. Okay? If I call you, open the gate for me. I am not coming back with my car. Have you heard me?
Yes, ma'am.
If anybody asks you what I just told you, don't tell them anything. I hope you understand.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Open the gate for me.
Praise. Praise.
Has she gone?
Yes, she's gone. I can't wait.
Praise,
What?
wait, let me shower. I'll join you later.
No, there's no time for that.
Oh, let me freshen up. I'll join you.
Oh, okay, please be fast with it, okay?
Go.
Don't waste time. Fast.
So how did you go? You can't believe it. You can't believe the excitement on their faces when I told them I was going for an all-night board meeting. Are you serious? I am very serious.
So why will a small girl like Praise up to this kind of behavior?
I have no idea. But let me tell you, if this results to be true, I will become a murderer by tomorrow because I'm going to kill her. I will kill her. They must be at it now.
Yeah. I'll wait. Go and come back.
God help me.
Don't do anything stupid, okay?
I won't.
Okay.
Did anybody meet you after I left?
No.
Are you sure?
Nobody, ma.
Thank you.
Wait.
What is it?
Wait.
What is it?
Someone is there.
No one is there. No one is there.
Wait.
No.
Wait.
You can't stop this now. Nobody's there.
Wait, baby. I heard some noise. Someone is there.
I'm telling you, but my wife went out. Let's go.
Yeah.
Why?
Calm down.
I praise.
Calm down first. Calm down.
How can you tell me to calm down? I heard my sister mourning on my husband. On my matrimonial bed, you tell me to calm down.
It's okay. Baby, it's okay.
No.
Please, it's okay.
It can't be okay. It won't be okay until I kill her.
No, stop that. Hey, don't joke with death. Please.
Someone has not cried for the past 20 years. And you think it's a joke?
Wait, just stop. Let's go to my house. Let's enter my own car. Please.
Trying to stop my feelings, but I went deeper and deeper. Always leads to another. One thing leads to another. Trying to stop temptation, but I went deeper and deeper. 'Cause one thing always leads to another. I never really planned it. One thing leads to another. Tried to stop my feelings, but I went deeper and deeper. 'Cause one thing always leads to another. I never really planned it. Always leads to another.
Honey, you're back.
Yes, I am.
How was the meeting?
So hectic. I need to take a warm bath and rest.
Oh yeah, that's good. You'll still go back to the office, right?
Do you expect me to?
No, I'm just wanted to be sure.
Hurry.
Get into the car.
Okay. Take. Yeah, kiss. Bye.
Praise. When going for your computer classes, branch over at my office. We have something to discuss.
Okay.
And you shouldn't go to work today. She's upstairs to make something.
I will.
See you.
Bye. Princess, make sure you don't look for trouble, okay? Sister? me one reason why I shouldn't kill you today. Say something! Sister, I'm sorry. Please, can I tell you right? Tell me what? Tell me what story? Tell me how you slept with my husband? How you jumped into my matrimonial bed while I was in South Africa? Tell me why I shouldn't kill you right now.
I never meant to hurt you. I never meant to curse you. I never meant to break a happy home.
Does it mean she's still at home at this time? And she's not even taking her calls.
I know how much you blame me. I'm sorry, forgive me. Remember, one thing led to another. One thing leads to another. Tried to stop temptation, but I went deeper and deeper. 'Cause one thing always leads to another. I never really planned.
Pick your call now. Where have you dropped your...
Leads to another. Tried to stop my feelings, but I went deeper and deeper. 'Cause one thing always leads to another.
They're inside. Upstairs. Yes. Get me a hammer and chisel, just anything. Meet me upstairs.
Sister. I'm very sorry. I didn't mean to betray you.
Tried to stop temptation, but I went deeper and deeper. 'Cause one thing always leads to another. I never really planned it. One thing leads to another. Tried to stop my feelings, but I went deeper and deeper. 'Cause one thing always leads to another. One thing leads to another. Tried to stop temptation, but I went deeper and deeper. 'Cause one thing always leads to another. I never really planned it. One thing leads to another. Tried to stop my feelings, but I went deeper and deeper. 'Cause one thing
Oh God, what have I done? What have I gotten myself into? Two sisters. Daniel, what have you done? What have you done?
I never really planned to hurt you, but one thing always leads to another. I never really planned to betray you, but one thing always leads
Father,
to
please forgive me. Let her not die. Let her survive this. Please forgive me, Lord. It was all my fault. I shouldn't have left my primary duty as a wife. I should have listened to my friend. Father, please, for my sake, for the sake of my mother, spare her life. Never will I leave my duties to anyone again. Because as I'm here, the banking work is going on in my office without me.
I never really planned it. One thing leads to another. Tried to stop my feelings, but I went deeper and deeper. 'Cause one thing always leads to another. I never really planned to hurt you, but one thing always leads to another. I never really planned to betray you, but one thing always leads to another.
Where's you gonna?
They're inside, man. They're inside.
You! Kalumam! Kalumam! What happened to place? What happened to place? Can you tell me place? Where's Uganda? Where's Uganda? Uganda!
What have I done, God? What have I done? What have I done?
Uganda, where's my daughter? Where's my daughter? Where's my daughter? Uganda, where's my daughter? Uganda, what happened to her? Where is she? Mama, she's in the hospital. Dad, you tell me. She did not want to come back. You were forcing her. Then you came, you started speaking English. If you get, I want to see my daughter. How she's dead. Damn you. Doctor said she's in coma. Take me to see my daughter. Hey! I want to catch you for the praise. I want to see praise, please. Let us go. I want to see her. Until I see her with my 2 eyes.
Ugonna, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for everything I've put you through. I'm sorry for the kind of havoc I've wreaked in this house. don't know what got into me. At some point, I began to see Praise as the woman of the house. She was always around doing all the chores, taking care of me, and she became my soulmate at some point. I didn't realize what I was doing. I didn't realize how deep I had gotten. Now I know what I have done to you. I know the pain I have caused you, and I beg you to forgive me, please.
You don't have to be sorry. I'm the one who should be sorry. I'm the one who should be sorry. I left my primary assignment, which is you, my children and my home. My ambition for my work took over me. I'm very, very sorry. Please forgive me.
I have forgiven you. Please forgive me too.
Stop my feelings, but I went deeper and deeper. 'Cause one thing